Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you're with me today because we're going to be making this beautiful wildflower sign. It's gorgeous and it's in a gorgeous mustardy colour. So I'm going to be using this bobbiny 5mm braided cord, which I got on Amazon and I will link below, and 3mm aluminium wire, which I also got on Amazon and I will link below for you. It's a really easy project and you can probably get it done in half an hour, and it's a lovely thing to put on the wall. If you are new here, please like and subscribe to my channel. I would absolutely love that, and I'm bringing out new videos all the time, so I'd love you to be part of the community. First of all, you are going to pull out the filling from inside the cord, and it's a lot easier than it sounds. For the word wild, you want to pull out around 1.5 meters worth, maybe, just in case. You can see it kind of goes a little bit wiggly all the way along. If you can't find the filling, no worries, just snip the cord and try again and you'll find it. Just make sure it's all pulled out. Next, we're going to take the wire and thread it through the middle of the cord. The trick with this is to keep the cord as straight as you can, because the wire is so straight. Keep the cord straight and then it should sort of just pass into the gap. And if you do get stuck, just give it a little wiggle around as you see me doing here and it will go through.
You feel like summer days to me, warm, tender, sunny rays.
When it's all threaded through, you want to glue the wire at one end using a glue gun, and then just sort of get the cord and put it back over the glue and then sort of make sure it's sealed. That's the only way I can describe it. And then just make sure it's kind of neat and sealed and everything. I do not advise touching glue, and so you can do it with pliers if you want, but just make sure you don't put your fingers onto the glue. Just sort of get the cotton cord and put it around. Now you are going to shape your letters. So where you see the wildflower sign, this is the W that I'm making here. And obviously if you have a printout that you want to put the letter straight onto as a template, that is perfect as well, because then you'll get it completely exactly how you want it to go. I just did mine quickly on this A4 sheet because it was easier, so I'm just doing it from that.
Come and grab. Guess everyone's got their own sound. Never cared much about fitting in. What's right or a sin? But as you stand before me, I give in. Picture frames, lavender and pain. They all live here within this romance. I get the chance to stop the run and be the lucky one. Picture frames, lavender and pain. They all live here within this romance. I get the chance to stop the run and be the lucky one.
Make sure it's as flat against the table as you can get it, because obviously it's going to go on a wall, so the flatter the better, and that'll make it much easier to hang up later as well. For the parts that completely fold back on themselves, it is useful to have some needle nose pliers, because then you get the letter in exactly the right place that you want it. You don't have to use them, but it makes it a lot easier if you do have some.
Picture frames, lavender and pain. They all live here within this romance. I get the chance to stop the run and be the lucky one.
There you go, looking good. So when you're happy with your word, just snip the end of the word with your wire cutters. Use the glue gun to do exactly the same as you did at the start. So what you're doing is gluing onto the wire and then taking your cord and making sure it's all around the wire, and then sort of pinching it at the end, making sure not to touch the glue. There you have your first word, wild. Love it, it looks amazing. I have two little wildflowers and they are completely wild. Comment below if you have any little wildflowers in your house and what are their names and ages, and you could win this sign I'm actually making, because I'm going to give this away at the end of the video, so don't forget to comment below. For the next word, flower, which is longer, wild, one F-L-O-W, yeah, that's, is 2 letters longer. You're going to be pulling out this stuff, and it's actually quite satisfying. You're going to be pulling out more of this stuff, so I would say about 2 meters worth, maybe 1.5 meters to 2 meters, a little bit longer than you had with wild. Then we're going to pop in our wire just as before, and like I said, about 2 meters long will do really nicely. Now, do you remember what we did with the glue in the first part? Well, good, because this is a little bit off the screen, but you can kind of see what I did there. You pop a little bit of glue onto the wire, and you can't even see that bit either. Hopefully you got the gist by now. And then we are going to start shaping our next word, which is flower, and you can see that F is up there, so I'm going to do it in exactly the same shape as the F.
You feel like summer days to me, warm, tender, sunny rays. I hope that we are meant to be. You say nothing at all when we meet, yet somehow I know your history. Oh, come what may, I'm ready. Picture frames, lavender pain, they all live here within this romance. I get the chance to stop the run and be the lucky one. Odd thoughts and some dusty dreams, and we seem to find common ground. Guess everyone's got their own sound. I never cared much about fitting in, what's right or a sin. But as you stand before me, I give in. Picture frames, lavender and pain, they all live here within this romance. I get the chance to stop the run and be the lucky one. Picture frames, lavender and pain, they all live here within this romance. I get the chance to stop the run and be the lucky one. Just tell me I belong.
Then exactly the same as the end of the word wild, we are going to cut the wire and the cord together with wire cutters. Do our little glue dabbing thing. You must be a pro at this by now, although I hope your glue gun is cleaner than mine. And then, yeah, pinch it at the end. And then any stray wispy bits you can just chop with some sharp scissors. And there you go, there's your wildflower sign. If you want it all as one word as well, you can put the D and the F together and they'll line up. So yeah, if you want to do it all as one word, then feel free to do that. Yeah, it looks amazing, and I'm glad that I used that font because that makes all the difference as well. If you do want to win this sign that I've made, because I just made it to show you, just comment below with the word win, W-I-N, that's all you need to do, and I'll pick out a winner. I will then send you this sign absolutely free. I think it looks amazing, and if not, just have a go yourself. It's really, really easy. Thank you so much for watching this video. It means the world to me. This is my like dodgy video skills. Yeah, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I bring out them very frequently, and I would love you to like and subscribe. That would be amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.